Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone on your Windows 10 operating system. So most probably you might also be facing this problem, which is about the time, which is, let's say, 1 hour or 2 hours late, or let's say forward or backward, and you want to fix it, right? So most probably this problem might occur due to the time zone settings. If you see that your time is constantly behind the exact time, let's say 1 hour behind from the real time which you are expecting. So what you need to do is you just need to click on your Windows icon here and then click on the settings icon. So just click on settings, and once this settings window opens, you just need to click on time and language here, and then you will see this date and time setting. So if you click on this option also, date and time, you will see this kind of window. Now here you can see set time automatically. In my case it's on. If it's not on in your case, you might want this to be on, right? So this is going to automatically take the exact time and then show it on your Windows operating system. So if this is on and then also you don't see the exact time, then it might be the problem of your time zone. So right now you can see the time on my clock is 14:26, which is wrong because the time zone is not correct. So here the time zone by default is UTC -8, which is totally wrong, because I'm not living in this area, which is US and Canada. I'm going to change it to match to my time zone. So I will just scroll down and I will choose this time zone, which is UTC +1, and I can see the major cities around my area also. So I'm nearer to Berlin, and that's why I'm choosing this time zone. Okay, so once I do that, you will see that here the time is changed, and most probably that might be the problem you are also facing. So once you change the time zone according to your area, then this time will change. So most probably the problem in your case will be solved by changing the time zone and making this option on here. Also, if you don't know in which time zone you are currently in, you might want to make this on, which says set time zone automatically. When you do this on, then your Windows operating system is going to set your time zone automatically, and then it's going to be taken care of automatically on your Windows operating system. So you can check this option also if this works and you see the correct time and date on your Windows operating system. So that's how you can set the time zone and date and time on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.